Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I am going to show you guys my favorite nude lipsticks. So some of these are pinkish nudes, peachy nudes, so I have a whole lot to show you guys. So if you guys are interested to see what lipsticks I wear on a daily basis or when I just want nude lips, my lips but better lip colors, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first lipstick that I have here is from Sansan Cosmetics, and this is their lip crayon in the shade Rich Mocha. I really like this lipstick because the color is just the perfect nude. It's so comfortable on the lips. I mean, the quality of this lipstick is just beyond perfection. It's really long wearing. It's a matte finish and it has vitamin C and E, and by the way, this is made in Germany, so I really love the quality, and it smells and tastes like mint. Ooh, I love the taste and scent of this one. It just reminds me so much of aromatherapy. Like, I love mint aromatherapy. It just makes me relax so much. And then this one is from Maybelline, and this is their moisture lipstick, I think. I'm not really sure. It doesn't say on the packaging, but it just says PK 01, and that is the shade name. It only says the shade name. It doesn't say what line it's from, but I really love this color. It reminds me so much of MAC lipstick in Angel. It's very moisturizing. As you can see, it has a little bit of gloss, and it's just really moisturizing. It's like a lip balm. And the next lipstick that I have here is from Essence Cosmetics, and this shade is called Come Naturally. Again, I'm not sure which line it's from. So this one is a very beautiful pinkish nude with a purple undertone. As you can see, this one is very nude. I'm not sure if it's going to be like wearable for some people, but for me at first I was a bit shocked with the color, but as I'm starting to use it, I just realized that it's actually a beautiful nude, which is very unique because I don't have anything like this. And then the next one that I have is from BTLA, which is like a new brand for me, and this is in the shade 02 Mahogany, and this is like their lip crayon, and it's very easy to use. It's kind of balmy, but like a dry balm formula. I'm not sure if you guys know what I mean, but it's so easy to use this because, as you can see, it's so easy to line your lips with this. It acts like a lip pencil as well. I really love this color. It's just the perfect everyday nude without making your lips look like washed out or anything like that. It's just amazing. Next, we have this lipstick from Revlon. It's called Mauve It Over. I really like this shade because it's a very nude color, but it has a peachy undertone. What's so good about this is that it's nude, but it's still so wearable. I mean, it can work with absolutely any makeup look. And this one is, like I said, peachy nude, and I like it. It works really well with so many different makeup looks, even with my light makeup today. So it looks brown on the tube, but when you apply it on your lips, it looks like that. And actually, with shades like this, like a lighter nude, I always love applying a lip gloss over top. Just like a clear lip gloss will do. And as you can see, it just makes it look more alive, and it just makes your lips look more plump. So I love that. Okay, so the next lipstick that I have here is one of my favorites out of all the lipsticks that I've showed you guys. This one is from Miss Rose Cosmetics, and this is the shade Orchid. And I really like this shade because it's so beautiful. It's just like one of the most perfect nudes for me. So this formula is so special because it's very creamy, like butter. It's just very smooth to apply on your lips. Kind of feels moisturizing as well, but the winner is really the shade, and I just love it. As you can see, it's just the perfect my lips but better color. Okay, so this next one is from OVALE, and someone needs to talk about this lipstick because it's just amazing. I don't know why not a lot of people are talking about this lipstick, but this is one from OVALE. It's their Velvety Matte Lip Crayon. Again, it's a lip crayon, so it's very easy to use, no need to sharpen, and you can make a very precise application. And this is the shade 11, and as you can see, it's a very nude, but still it's wearable and it's not too light, and it's just the perfect nude if you want like a flesh toned nude lipstick. This is the perfect color for you if you are kind of morena like me. I really like this, especially if you apply gloss on top. As you can see, it just tones down the color, it adds more life and gloss, so I really like the shade. It's just perfect for when you're wearing a lip gloss. As you can see, wow, I really love this combination. So those are all the lip swatches of my favorite nude lipsticks. Let me know in the comment section down below what are your favorite nude lipsticks, so other girls can read recommendations on what's good and what's not. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.